First, for her hair, I'm just going to relax it, and I'm using this relaxer called Relax. Yeah, I know most of us do not like the idea of relaxing or relax, and plus the fact that her hair is really short. The last time I relaxed her hair was, I think, 6 months ago or 7. I'm not sure. I think the video is here on this channel. That was the last time I relaxed her hair, and it's been very, very long. I'm applying it all over before I go ahead to use a small comb to just comb the hair, just so that it can help hasten the process and also help straighten the hair. It's just to hasten the process. For the fact that her hair is scanty, she has scanty hair like this, I do not like to use kit relaxer. What I mean by kit is all those relaxer that comes with activators and other things inside. So I don't like to use kit relaxer for this kind of scanty hair or soft hair. I like to use these relaxers, like this one called Relax. There's another one called Ozone. There's another one called Ebony. Those are the relaxers I like to use for my clients that have soft hair. So why I don't like to use kit is just because they tend to over relax the hair. But if you want to use kit relaxer for like a soft hair, you just try to not overuse, or you use like a little quantity of activator. This is so that the hair will not over process to be too soft, and it will kind of break the person's hair. When relaxer over relax soft hair, it tends to make it extremely so light, and then from that, when the hair is too light, it kind of breaks so much. It breaks easily. That's why I like to use this normal relaxer, and plus the fact that my clients do not come with enough budget for this particular hairstyle. So yeah, that's why we're using this particular relaxer. You can leave a comment in the comment section below. Just tell me what you think, and I will also tell you more reasons why I like to use this particular relaxer, and more reasons why I do not use so much activator. That is, if I'm using any kit relaxer, I do not use so much activator. Let's just get chatting. What do your clients like? Because most times most clients will tell you, apply relaxer on the tip of my hair, apply relaxer. All those things, they kind of break our hairs. But for this video, since it's a short hair, we're relaxing from the roots down to the tip of the hair. First, I'm applying the relaxer with my hands, and of course I'm wearing gloves. After applying and combing once, we just go ahead to massage the hair. Then after that, we just leave to process. Yeah, this is what it looks like after the application of the relaxer. Moving on, after a few minutes, we'll just go ahead to wash out the relaxer with neutralizer shampoo and then condition our hair. Moving on, I'm sectioning the hair into two different portions, at the back and in front. At first, she wanted the hair to really be trimmed down at the back, like very low at the back, totally trimmed down, like this kind of Rihanna kind of hairstyle. But she changed her mind. That was after I finished trimming down, just trimmed down a little part of the back. But she changed her mind that she would love to braid her hair afterwards. That's after this particular hairstyle. So that's why I just decided to just trim a little bit at the back, nothing serious, but she wanted like this Rihanna kind of cut, but she changed her mind. So for this reason, I'm not going to trim too much. I'm just going to trim a little bit, but this was not the plan, or this was not what she told me initially. So I'm just going to trim just small. And for the trimming, first I like to start from the middle of the hair at the back, and then use my scissors to just trim, and also use my comb as I do so. Like when I'm trimming with my scissors, I'm just using the comb to assist me trim the hair. So I just want to use this opportunity to say thank you to those of you that suggested I get this particular professional scissors. Thank you so much, because it's really helping me. I think I prefer it to the usual or the regular scissors. So if you're a hairstylist, I would advise you to just invest in this. So after trimming, I just part the hair in front and then comb it just to kind of style it in a bit. And after that, just to style it in a way that it will fit her face, I just want to see the particular part that will fit her face. Once I'm done with that part, I'm using styling modes right now. This is just to prep the hair for the next style. At this point, I'll allow you guys to just watch the video to see what I'm doing and enjoy the whole step. Thank you so much for watching the video from the beginning to the end. This is the final look. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you liked the video and you were able to learn something from this video. Let me know what you want to see up next on this channel. Share the video, give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this video or this hairstyle. Tell me what your suggestions are when it comes to relaxed and when it comes to natural. Like, let's get chatting in the comment section below.